Hi guys, I'd like to introduce to you the POD5 conference speakerphone. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so let's unbox the POD5. So opening it up to begin with. Yeah, we can see the unit's square. Take it out of the box, move the box over. And as we slide it out, automatically you can see, very nice. It has a nice fabric covering over the speaker. Very nice feature. On the front, it has your touch button display. In the middle, you have your mute button, and besides that, you have your volume up and your volume down. To receive calls, to accept them, and to end calls, you have a start and stop button. And then on the other side, you have your Bluetooth connectivity. So this can be used connected in on Bluetooth as well. On the front, you have the power button. So if I press that and hold that in, yeah, very nice. So you can see that it lights up with a white
Bluetooth
button
connected.
and it automatically connects straight up. On the back, you can see the ports. So this device comes with two external microphones. So you can see that there's two ports that you can connect the microphones in with there. And in the middle there, you can see that it has a USB-C port, USB-C for charging. Yeah. So let's get the rest out of the box. Comes with also with a USB-C cable. So this is good for charging and connecting to a device. Also in our box, I'll move this over. You can see that there. Opening our box up, we have 1 and 2 microphones. So we'll unwrap them. Yeah, very nice. So you can see here we've got our 2 microphones. Got some nice little Velcro holes on them. To connect them in, they have this plug, and that connects into the back, like so. And you hear a little clicking sound. That means it's installed correctly. As soon as you connect it up, you can automatically see on the device it's red, and on the microphone it's red. So this means that it's muted. I'll plug in the second one while we're at it, just so you can have a really good idea of how this works when both microphones are connected up together. I'll plug that one in the back. There we go, beautiful. So you can see now it's running off its own battery. It has both connected up, all are red. Now, if you're using this in a boardroom for a conference call, these cables are 2 meters long. So you could have the device in the middle of the table, and then you could have a table that's 4 meters long and have a microphone at each end. And then from each of the microphones, they still pick up a range around 3 meters around that microphone. So if you didn't want to use one of the microphones, all you need to do is press the button, and you can see now to activate it, now both of the microphones are on, and you can see that they have a green color. And when you turn it off, it mutes it again, yeah, and it goes red. Volume up and down, very easy. Press up and down to take a call and end a call, and also to connect to Bluetooth is the right hand button there. So let's see how it works when you connect it to a device. So we'll turn our main device POD5 on. Very good. So it automatically turns on there.
Bluetooth connected.
Let's do that again. Okay guys, so let's connect the POD5 to a Bluetooth device. Now to do so, you turn it on at the front, power on, and then with the Bluetooth button, you press and hold down.
Pairing.
And automatically it says pairing, and then the light flashes between white and blue. So on your Bluetooth device, open your settings, turn it on, and search for the device, the speakerphone, and it will come up in your listing, and you can click on that.
Bluetooth connected.
And now it's connected. So now if you are going to take a call, somebody calls you, you can receive that call by pressing on the receive button. If during the call the volume's not loud enough, you can turn the volume up, or you can turn the volume down. And you can see the LEDs on here go up and also go down. If at any time during the call you need to mute it, you can press the mute button on the main device, and the button goes red. You can press any of the mute buttons at any time to activate it. So if I press this one, yep, it's now activated. I can now press this one to turn it off, and the button light changes color. So now you know that none of the devices are picking up the sound. So this gives you a good test to see how it connects to Bluetooth and how to use the device, the speakerphone with the microphones.